Right. Okay, we're going to cut right to the quick here. We've got an American Tele. I just had a subscriber actually ask a question pertaining to his Tele, why he can't keep it in tune. So at this point, I've done nothing to this guitar, just tuned it up with the tuner. We're going to demonstrate all the way across, open string, first fret, and then you will get a play-by-play. When I've done my thing, I'm going to come back, same guitar, same string, same tuning, open string, first fret, and you can be the judge. That's like 12 cents sharp. $0.10 sharp. I'm not death gripping this. It's a very light touch. Still 8 cents sharp. Okay. 10 cents sharp. If somebody had an even harder grip than I do right now, it'd be like 15 cents sharp. Yeah, there you go. It's about 6 cents sharp. And 4 or 5 cents sharp. Well, as you can see, there is substantial fret wear in this guitar. This guitar is being played big time. So all of the Patreon subscribers will be getting a front row seat on precisely step by step how I bring this Tele, which is almost unplayable at this point, up to perfection. Okay, this fella put a Duncan pickup in here, and it looks like he's got Glendale saddles. Good move. That rust there is just sweat from the guy's hand. I mean, this is the fella that owned it previously. This guitar was on the road being played professionally full time. Okay, we are back with this Tele again. So you saw that before footage, before the compensated nut. You saw how much sharpness there was across the first fret. So let's compare apples to apples. Same guitar, same strings, same tuning, with a compensated nut. I rest my case. Okay, we're going to take this one step further. And if you got a Tele at home, Les Paul, any guitar for that matter, try this. See how in tune your guitar is. Play the 7th fret note and the corresponding octave on the 19th fret. Every string all the way across. So now that this 60th anniversary Tele has had the once-over compensated nut, fret dress, the whole setup, Glendale saddles, well, you know something? You can count on it. This guitar will stay perfectly in tune for the next 60 years. So it's one thing to check and micro-check the open string, first fret notes, 7th fret, 19th fret, octaves, all of that stuff. But the real acid test, of course, is just to play some chords. So, as you've heard me do so many times before, I like to sort of duplicate the same chord with different voicings along the entire span of the neck. That is the ultimate intonation check. All those first position chords, that are never quite in tune. And my 1-6-10.